Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope everybody's fine and welcome to another English class. And in our previous class, we have finished pronouns, as I told you, and I've given you exercise. Please do those exercise, and I'll be sending you answers. I have told you about that. So today we are going to start with the new chapter. The new chapter is determiners. This we have done in 7th standard. Yes. So what are determiners? The word determine means the word determines actually it tells about it gives a clear picture about the noun. Alright. It will give a clear picture or it modifies the noun. Alright. So how does it show? Means like whether it will if you use a determiner, it will tell you whether the noun is singular or plural, or where it is. Is it far? Is it close? How much or how many they are. So basically they will give you, the determiners give you a clear picture about nouns. It modifies the noun. Alright, do you understand that? Now there are 6 kinds of determiners. First, there are articles, then we have demonstratives, then we have possessives, then we have distributories, then we have quantifiers, and then interrogatives. Now, you should know these. Okay, we have done this before. You all know this, just that you might not remember it. Okay, so just go through it. So I'll just take one by one. I will not take all the 6 together. So I'll explain to you a few of them, and then we'll break it up and make it easier and give it to you. Okay. Now, first determiner is it is articles. What are articles? Remember we have done a and the. These are the articles. The articles there are 3 articles. A, that is a, and the. Alright. Now, articles are divided into 2 kinds. Definite and indefinite. Okay. Now, the word definite means ye he hai. This is the only one. Right. Indefinite means it is not that this is the only one. It can be others also. Okay. With the word you know. This is definite. Ye answer ye hi hai. That is called definite. Right. The word definite means ye hi hai. Right. So the article that comes under definite is the. Alright. The is the article that comes under definite. So what is the definite article? That is the. And what are indefinite articles? A and an. Alright. The reason being, if you use the in front of any noun, it means that one is a particular noun, right? No other noun is like that. There's only one kind. That is one kind. Alright. Supposing the sun. So sun, there is only one sun. There is no other sun. Right? So the sun. Or if you use in front of the Taj Mahal. So that's it's one of its kind. There is no other Taj Mahal, right? So when we're talking about a particular noun, there we use the. All right, not in front of names. Remember, not in front of names, but in front of family names like the Rajputs. That is the whole family lineage. Family lineage matlab whole khandan from dada and all, and so many pardada and all till the generation. So the whole family. Alright. So the Rajputs or the Khans or so you can have any other names, right? So when you're talking about a family lineage, there we use the. Alright. Did you understand all of them? Now you understood these. Now indefinite. Indefinite is a and an. You know that where do we use a? We use a in front of, yes, the words which starts with consonants, yes, or they are consonant sound. Remember, what are consonant and what are vowels? There are 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U. So any word which is starting with a vowel or has a vowel sound, there we will write an in front of that. If it is having consonant sound or it is starting with a consonant, there we use a. This we have done before. Like, there are so many examples, yes, like apple. So, an apple, right? Now, if I say, what else? Honest man, right? Honest man. Here, H is silent. The sound of H is not there. We start with honest. So the sound is of a vowel O. Honest. It is not honest. It is wrong. It is honest. O. So the sound of vowel. So here we write an honest man. Understood, everybody? So wherever you have vowel or you have the sound of vowel starts with, there we will write an. So where do we write a? A is used where you write, it starts with a consonant like man. A man. Yes? Another? Uniform. Yes. It starts with U. But the sound is of Y. Means Y. The sound is of Y, uniform. See, if you speak, it's uniform. So, the sound is of Y and Y is a consonant. So, that is a uniform, not an uniform. Is that clear? Everybody? Alright. Same thing. If you write, for example, another MA. This is degree, right? He is an MA because an, see, the sound of A. So, an MA, not a MA. It is an MA. Remember that. So, sound of vowel or the word is starting with a vowel, it will have an in front of it. If the word is starting with a consonant or has a consonant sound, it will have a in front of it. Alright? Is that clear? The we use in front of particular noun. Alright? If we are talking about a particular place, particular monument, river, mountains and all, there you write the Himalayas. Alright? Did you, is that, I hope this is clear? Because we have done this many times. We have done in 7th also, 6th also. So, not much of explanation is there, but just a recap I gave you. Where do we use the and where do we use and an. Alright, so first to determine our articles. And articles are divided into two, definite and indefinite. Definite is the and indefinite is and an. Is that clear? Now, second, demonstrative. Remember, in pronouns, we have done demonstrative, right? Demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative means to show. I told you, right? So, again, wherever there is the word demonstrative, whether it's adjective, whether it's, there are 4. Which are they? This, that, these, those. What? Which are this, that, these, those. All these 4 are demonstratives. Okay. So again, wherever to be, if it is near and it is single, this. If it is far, single, that. Singular, in singular form you use. For plural, if it is close, near to you, it is there, these. and if they are plural and far away, those. Is that clear? This is my class. Those are my friends. Okay, so this is quite, I think this is very clear. Remember always, wherever the word demonstrative comes, these are the 4 demonstratives. Understood everybody? So these 2, last, I just do 3 today. In today's class, I just explained 3 determiners to you, and the rest 3 we'll be doing in the next class. Last is possessives. Possessives, what did I tell you in pronouns? Possessive means, what is the word possessive? Means belonging, ownership. Mera hai. Right? So I told you pronouns, the difference between pronouns and possessive adjectives. So mine, and adjective comes always, possessive adjective comes before the noun. My book. Book is the noun. So my is, so same thing like this, we have possessive. So the possessives will show possession, will show ownership, kiski cheez hai, right? So here we have, of course, if it is mine, it will be mine, hamara, so our, then your. Remember one thing, possessive pronouns will have s, ours, yours, its, hers, okay? His will have only one s, alright? So, but here in possessive determiners, it is mine, that is without s, okay? Mine, our, your, his, her, not hers, her, it, alright? So remember that this is the difference, okay? So we are doing till here, it is my book, our class, yes, your school. So you understood all these things? So determiners, I've taught you 6 determiners, kind of determiners are there. Articles, demonstratives, possessives, distributives, distributaries, quantifiers and interrogators. Okay, so 3 of them I told you. Articles again divided into 2, definite and indefinite. Definite is particular one where you use the. Indefinite and is used in front of consonants or consonant sounds, and is used in front of vowels or vowel sound. Yes, and then you have demonstratives. Demonstrative means to show. So this, that, these, those, always these 4 comes under demonstrative. Possessive shows possession, belonging, ownership. So here it is, my book, our class, your school, right? And her, his, it, all these, their, all these come under possessive, alright, possessives. Again, I'm telling you difference between possessives and possessive pronouns. Pronouns will have s in the end, alright, ours, yours, mine, okay, my because mine, okay, theirs, right? Remember that difference, okay? So yes, I'll stop till here, alright, and the rest 3 kinds I'll be explaining it in my next class. With this, today's class is over. Thank you very much.